Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and I'm bringing you another classic banger. That's right. Today, I'm coming to you with some upcoming drops, some upcoming heats. So you already know what to do. If it's your first time, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. And if you are A1 Day One, let's go. We got the Wall of Fame behind us, just to let y'all know. For everybody to sub, comment, I subbed your name, you will join the Wall of Fame. And we're running a concurrent giveaway. We got some merchandise that we'll be giving away with the Wall of Fame merchandise poster. So everybody tap in. Now, what we got coming in 2025 is some bangers. I want to start with November 23rd, 2024. Be on the lookout for these black cement threes. Are y'all ready, gang? Let me just say, these right here was a perfect introduction of what we can look forward to with those black cement threes. Just take out the green glow and you got those. All right, man. March 8th, 2025. Let's go. We get these cool gray 9s. I love the cool gray silhouettes. They always pop. They always stand out. And the cool gray 6s last year was an easy cop for me. So I'm hoping those will be easy too. Look at that. They look sweet, popping off the gray. Then we got on March 1st of 2025, before the 8th, we got those Flu Game 12s. Look at them, man. The OG boys is coming back. Yeah, that's right. We doing it big, y'all, in 2025. And then that same day, and I love the 4s. They going crazy with the 4s. I actually got on my military blues today just for an on-shoot pull-off. Look at that. Busting them out for the first time. But y'all know we got those white cement 4s. Come on, man. Them the OGs. They joining the military blues, the breads, and they coming out right now. Dude, I'm telling you, those are going to be an instant cop. White cement 4s, baby. Then June 1st, we got those OG steel 10s. Look at them. They coming back, y'all. For all my OGs. Y'all love them. Here they come. Yes, then on that same day, we got these great 5s. Look at them. Got that nice purple color scheme going at the bottom. Crispy, man. And we got those military blue 3s coming out. Look at that. Crispy. I got on my military blue 4s today, y'all. We going in. Then June 7th, to round it out and to cap it all off, is those bread 11s. That's right, the low top bread 11s. So 2025, heat is flying into the carts. Get y'all wallets ready. Get y'all cards on that dang on app. That's right, man. Tune in with your boy Al Woo with the show. I got more content coming constantly, man. Give some suggestions. And like I said, you want to be on this Wall of Fame. You want to make it here. Let me see the subs. Tell me what your sub and tell me what your name is. We on the road to 1K. Let's go. It's Al Woo with the shoe, boy. Know what to do. Yo, hello? Yeah. You guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always going to be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.